Well, we're on the flybridge of an azimutef68. Driving position here. Seems very nice. Opening top. Little step here. Breakfast area in there. Get your grill and all that in your fridge, your freezers. azimutef68 downstairs. There we go. Kitchen, seating area for all your food there. You can eat outside. There we go. Some people downstairs, so I can't film down there at the minute. Oh, we've got a shout door. That's alright. Dayhead, azimutef68. And double single beds. And we got two single beds here, one over the other. And then we'll nip down. Just been waiting for some people to clear. Down here, but oh, we've got a sock sofa and a dressing area. And the bed is actually on the starboard side. And the toilet there and shower there with frosted doors on them. There you go. Mustang Dave. We'll catch up probably on another one. azimutef68 driving position. There's a wheel. Oh, this one's got a joystick. Push it left, the boat goes left, push it right, boat goes right, and so on. There we go. There's a view out the windscreen. Catch you later. Well, this is the crew cabin on the azimutef68. You'd have to be real good friendly with your cohort in there. Not much floor space at all.